new car initially priced at $29,000 and $999 depreciates in value by 15% each year. Depreciates, that means loses its value. And in this case, it loses its value by 8%. Which of the following models a function for the value of the car v of t as a function of time in years? Now, if something's going to lose its value by 8%, what's happening is going to be exponential decay in this case. Now, what this means is you're not going to lose like $3,000 every year. It's not going to go from like $30,000 to $27,000. I'm just pretending it's 10% just to make the numbers easy, to 25. No, it's not going to do that every year. This is not linear. This is exponential. So that gets rid of both of you. These are linear because it's something times t plus or minus something, blah, blah, blah. Okay, it's going to look like this. Now, if you're tempted to say, okay, well, what we'll do is we'll just multiply it by 0.15 because 15% is 0.15. No. If something loses its value by 15%, what you're doing is you're taking 100%, subtracting 15%, and you're now taking 85% of that price. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our initial value, which is that. We're going to multiply it by 80%, which is 0.85, and we're going to repeat the process every t years. So that after 2 years, we do 29,999 times 0.85, whatever that number is, times 0.85 again. You're going to take 85% of the new price after every single year. So that what's going to happen is it might lose like 4,500, I think, is going to be the value the first year, give or take a couple pennies. But then it's going to lose like maybe 4,200 and then maybe like 3,000 something. And it's going to lose its value, but slow down in how much value it loses. It'll never hit zero. It'll still have worth. It'll lose value initially, immediately right away, but it's going to start losing its value at a slower pace. So the guy that we get is C. D means you're going to take away 85%. That's definitely not what we want to do. Don't buy a car like that. Don't buy a car like that. And speaking of car, the answer is C. And car, last time I checked, starts with C. Hope this helps.